So this building really made the choice to deal with water scarcity before any other tower in the city, and that's very notable and a commitment. These are luxury condos at the top of the tower, 67 luxury condos, and they will be flushed, their toilets will be flushed with gray water, and the sales agents and J. Paul sees that as an asset and an amenity, not a detriment. And that is totally true. That is the state of California, and this is dealing with the drought in a way that every building should. We're just a little ahead of the curve. So this is 181 Fremont. It's residential on the top third and commercial office on the bottom 2/3. The gray water system works where it will take all the water from the sinks in the showers and the washing machines in the residential section, as well as the water from the bathroom sinks in the office. It will run it down into 2 separate storage tanks. It will treat the rainwater separately from the gray water. The gray water will run through a membrane bioreactor, and then all that water we brought up the building and used it for irrigation and toilet flushing, saving 1.3 million gallons of potable water a year. Gray water is run through the membrane bioreactor, and this basically takes the solids and the water, uses biology to break down the solids, and then literally pushes it through a membrane, hence membrane bioreactor. And all that means is that the holes in this membrane will only let the size of water molecules through, and everything else stays on the other side. The actual membrane bioreactor piece of equipment itself is this piece of equipment you see here behind this plastic. It's 8.5 by 18. It's about the size of a parking spot, but this is the entire actual membrane bioreactor itself. Everything else are just holding tanks before or after it's treated. In any state that's dealing with any sort of water challenges, potable water challenges, this is a huge opportunity. So while California is first, and we're dealing with it because we have to, and necessity is the mother of invention, now we have an opportunity to then teach the rest of the country and show that water reuse does make sense at the building scale and the district scale and the utility scale. We're just hitting that first edge of the learning curve.